Hello, let me show you how you can fix battery problem on the Samsung A37 and 37 5G. First of all, let's turn off all of those features that are hidden, turn on and then drain the battery. So start by opening the settings. Now go for connections, open more connection settings, go for printing and make sure that you are gonna turn off the print services. Now go to the location settings, go to the location services and remember to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. But also, if you are currently not using navigation, make sure that you are gonna switch off GPS. Now open security and privacy settings, scroll down to the more privacy settings. First of all, make sure that you are gonna switch to send diagnostic data. Now we have to go to usage and diagnostic and also make sure that you are gonna turn it off. Okay, and now let's start with all of those other things. Open connections one more time, go for Bluetooth, and as you can see, when the Bluetooth is enabled, it still keeps scanning in the background for nearby devices. So if you are not using any Bluetooth devices, you have to turn it off. Right now we have to go for the more connection settings, go to the nearby device scanning and do the same. As you can see, our phone scans for nearby devices even when Bluetooth is turned off. So also this is the feature that drains battery. Now open sounds and vibration settings. And here decide what kind of the vibration and the sound settings that you are not using. So when you go for the system vibration, you can find a lot of them. For me, I'm just gonna turn off everything, and every of this sound drains your battery. Now go into the notifications, open up notifications, and now click here, go to the most frequent notifications, click OK. And if there's like any application that you are not really using, but it's sending you notifications, make sure that you are gonna turn it off. Now open display settings. And of course enable the dark mode. The dark mode is like a real game changer. And you can also remember to adjust the screen brightness. If you set brightness in the fully, it will extremely drain your battery, so I suggest to lower. Now the same with the motion smoothness. If you want to get longer battery life, even the description is here, select 60 Hz. Then go for the screen timeout and lower it for 15 or 30 seconds. Because if you forget to turn off screen of your phone and it will stay for the 10 minutes, then you will lost a lot of battery. Also remember to turn off all of those features that you are not using, like in my case the edge panel. Now go to the battery settings and here we can find a little hidden trick in the power saving mode. Take a look. When you open this one, turn it on and click here, what we can do. As you can see, we already enable all of those features, right? But we can even limit our CPU speed to 70%. So if you are not gonna play games right now or doing some multitasking things that will need some CPU power, you can easily do this. Right now, go into the applications screen, and what you can do here, basically uninstall all of those apps that you are not using, even the Samsung applications. If you cannot uninstall application, you can still disable it, like for example the Bixby from a Samsung. And now when you disable application, it will no longer get access into your network or your CPU, so it's not gonna drain your battery. And now just all of those apps that you are not using, to prevent battery drain, just uninstall all of those applications that you are not using. And right now, another important tip, when you go for a device care, we have to remember to close all of those apps that run in the background because they secretly drain your battery. So from time to time, in the few hours, just remember to do this manually. And now I just forgot to show you two additional tips in the application screen. So let's go back here and let's pick the application that we want to manage, for example, Google Chrome. And what you can do, if there is like any application that often open at the background, you can simply select the battery settings to get restricted. And this will actually don't allow this application to run in the background. But also when you go back, you can set the mobile data. So you can don't allow background data usage. And you can set up this for every application that secretly open in the background to prevent battery drain. And another important tip, if you have the video wallpaper, like in my case, that it will be highly recommended just to set a normal stock wallpaper for a lock screen and the home screen, because this takes battery like super. Apply for the both screens. And another tip, click and hold empty space on the home screen, go over here into the left side and make sure that you are gonna turn off the Google News or Samsung News, because it's also drained battery. It's connecting all the time to the network, downloading new news and then giving you them on the screen. And this is all my tips for the Samsung A37 5G. Let me know if you find them useful.